Hey folks! Here I am, Екатерина Пряникова. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. Important to know creating some footage as requires some files plugins sign the speed of the process and make this much easy. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background with the help of menus, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. On my second channel Machine Footage you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address.